Welcome back to Yessah Travels. Today we will be doing a quick room review on Park MGM. Let's check it out. Alright, first things first, we want to check out this bathroom. See how clean the bathroom looks. It's your standard Park MGM bathroom, your basic stand-in shower. Got your soap and your amenities and whatnot. They provide you with a body wash, extra towels, your toilet over there. And then you got your mirror. What's going on, guys? Yes, your little side mirror. Then you have the sliding door. In here you have like your ironing board kind of thing. You have like a little drawer and like your little ice bucket and a little safe if you need a safe. You got these drawers for whatever you need. These doors are also joining. So you have your joint door. You have a full mirror right here if you need to get ready and whatnot. There's a light switch over here too. You can turn this on. Makes it more bright. Turn this off. You also have your snacks and your water, but my recommendation, don't do it because it'll probably cost you a lot. You also have your plugs and whatnot, and your TV. This is basically like the living room view. That was a bathroom, the little mirror, your TV section. This is the bedroom. You have your bed right here. It's a king size bed with a chair as well. Got some art on the wall. These also have nice art on the wall. I don't know if you can see the color, it's red. But if you look right here, you can turn these on. And at nighttime, they look nice. And I'll give you guys a view of the view, how it looks nighttime. Don't mind all that extra stuff. So this is how the king bedroom looks. Right there. And the view, if it was to turn around, this would be the view. So the view is outlooking the Vegas Strip. You got your own table, your own chair, your own little couch. Let's get a full view of this living room area. This is on floor 27, if I'm not mistaken. Got your couch and You got your thermometer here, little trash can, and the view that they gave us, the T-Mobile Arena. And if you look all the way in that distance, that's the Allegiant Stadium where the Raiders play. T-Mobile. And you can't go wrong with the view. Let me step back to show you a little bit. That's the view. And if you look on the side, you can also see New York, New York, the Luxor right there. It's Mandalay. I think that's Westgate, but you can also see a little bit of it as well. But I would rate this room with a view maybe an 8 or 9. But one of the best things about the room is, or Park MGM in general, is Italy. You guys definitely have to check out Italy. From this view, it's just a parking garage and the other hotel. But yeah, but I'll show you guys how it looks nighttime. This is with the light on. Thank you for watching the video. If you're in Vegas, I would definitely recommend staying at Park MGM. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Yessah Travels. Click here on the next video for more travel fun.